Hello everyone, this is Lance McGrath, User Services Librarian and Associate Professor at the College of Idaho. I want to talk to you today about Zotero, which is an online and standalone bibliographic management tool, and we will be using that as part of the library orientation, the Build a Bibliography module. And after viewing this tutorial on Zotero, you will know how to create a Zotero account, know how to join the Zotero group for library orientation, know how to download the standalone version of Zotero, and know how to add the browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we're at www.zotero.org, and then what you will want to do is click the Download Now button, and it is available for multiple operating systems. And the first thing that you will want to do is download Zotero 5.0 for Windows. It should automatically detect your operating system. If you click download, it should go to your taskbar, and then you will be prompted to do the install. I have already done the install, so I won't take the time to walk you through that, but it's a fairly simple install, and you just need to allow Windows or your operating system to install the file for you. And once you've done that, I want you to install the connector, and it should also, Zotero website should also detect if you're using Chrome or Firefox or another browser. If you're using some other browser besides Chrome or Firefox, if you're using Microsoft Edge or Opera or Safari, you might be prompted to use another browser. And I would recommend you doing that because the plugin is very handy. And I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on the install of the Chrome connector, and click on Add Extension. And I see that we have the Zotero extension up in Chrome. Now we will return to the home page, and simple registration process. I'm already registered. I won't register for a new account here, but I want to show you that the requirements for Zotero are you do need to create a unique username, and then use your email address. Use your College of Idaho email address, please. That's your name at yotes.collegeofidaho.edu. That will ensure that you are able to join the group, because the group is a closed group and you do need to have permission or an invitation to join the group. And that has been sent to you already through Canvas. Just click the link to accept the invitation and you should be able to join the group. Please let me know if you have any difficulties doing that. But once you've created your username, email address, password, and then verified you're not a robot, you can have a Zotero account and should be able to log in like I'm going to do right now. And I am in. I'm going to go ahead and save that password so I don't have to log in. Remember that, log in every time. Let's look at the home page. Same thing we saw earlier. If we look at my library, we can see everything that I have set up here, and I have multiple libraries set up. I have some ed tech, effectiveness of ed tech and higher ed. Those are my personal libraries. that I maintain. And then if I look at the group library, I see that we do have a group library here, and I have a description about the library. If I click on the hyperlink, you can see that there is one recently added item that was added by myself. And click on Group Library. And this will take me to the Group Library page, where we can see the file structure for Zotero with the plagiarism and research information, the title, creator, date modified, and then who added that particular item. Now, let's look at Zotero, the standalone version for your desktop that you will need to download as part of this class so that you can create a bibliography and add your 5 items to the Zotero shared library, the group library. We have an item here, plagiarism and research. Pardon me. And let's try to find one more. Go to the College of Idaho page. Go to the library. And I was searching for plagiarism before. And I want College of Idaho. Peer-reviewed, please, because we want the good stuff, the academic, high-quality material that's research-based. We want articles. And we want, let's say, newest first. Ooh, Journal of American Folklore. That looks interesting. The legend that killed Nella Larsen's literary career. Oh my. Let's take a look at that. Let's look at the description and the abstract. Wow. Very interesting. Okay, this would be great to add to the group library. So we'll click on Access Full Text, and you just need to enter your username, your school ID, your school email address, and your YOTNet ID, and you can log in. Let's take a look at Project Muse. See if we can track this article down here. And there it is. If at first you don't succeed, check the library catalog and try another link. So this looks great. We can go ahead and use our Zotero icon at the top here, the connector, and let's see if we have an item. We do, and since we're in our group library, we're in good shape here. Let's take a look at our collection here. It's not showing up here though, which is what we should expect. We need to sync this up, and that's the green circle icon in the upper right hand corner of your Zotero software. Click here to sync things up, and come back to Zotero and reload that page, and there it is. So you can see that we have added these items to the group library. You now know how to create a Zotero account. You know how to join the Zotero group for library orientation. You'll need to click on the link in the email that was sent to you. You know how to download the standalone version of Zotero, and you know how to add the browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. And you know how to add items to the group library as well. So thank you for your time and attention, and I will see you in Canvas. Have a great day. Bye now.